How does genetic predisposition increase lung cancer risk? Imagine that your genes are like a set of instructions that shape how your body works. Some of these instructions can carry tiny changes or mutations that you inherit from your family. When it comes to lung cancer, these inherited genetic variations can influence how your lung cells grow, repair damage, or respond to environmental factors like pollution or radon. Even if you have never smoked, these genetic factors can make you more vulnerable to developing lung cancer. Certain gene mutations are known to increase the risk of lung cancer. For example, mutations in the gene called epidermal growth factor receptor, or EGFR, are linked to a higher chance of developing specific types of lung cancer like adenocarcinoma. Similarly, mutations in BRCA2 and CHEK2, which are involved in repairing damaged DNA, can also raise the risk. When these mutations are inherited, they are present in all cells of the body, making it easier for abnormal cell growth to occur in the lungs. Having a family history of lung cancer is also a strong indicator of genetic predisposition. If a close relative, like a parent or sibling, has had lung cancer, your risk increases regardless of whether you smoke or not. This suggests that certain genetic factors run in families and can be passed down through generations. Interestingly, some studies suggest that women with a family history might have a slightly higher genetic susceptibility than men, but more research is ongoing. Genes don't act alone. They interact with the environment. For example, if you have genetic variants that affect how your body processes tobacco smoke or repairs DNA damage caused by pollutants, your risk can be amplified. This means that even small environmental exposures can become more dangerous if your genes make you less able to repair damage or detoxify harmful substances. Genetic ancestry can also influence lung cancer risk indirectly. Different populations carry different genetic variations, which can affect how susceptible they are to environmental risks. However, race or ethnicity alone is not a direct risk factor. It's more about how specific genetic traits interact with environmental exposures that matter. While smoking remains the leading cause of lung cancer, genetic predisposition explains why some non-smokers develop the disease and why not all smokers do. Certain genetic variants can increase the risk by 50 to 80% or more, independent of smoking. This highlights the importance of understanding your family history and genetic background. For those with a family history of lung cancer, genetic counseling can be helpful. It may lead to earlier or more frequent screenings, especially if combined with other risk factors. Knowing about your genetic risks can also guide personalized prevention strategies and help doctors choose targeted treatments if cancer develops. Continued research aims to find more genetic markers and understand how they work with environmental factors to improve risk prediction and management. In summary, genetic predisposition increases lung cancer risk through inherited gene variants and mutations that influence how lung cells grow, repair damage, and respond to carcinogens. Recognizing these genetic factors is essential for a complete understanding of lung health and can help guide personalized approaches to prevention and treatment. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and screening options based on your family history and genetic background.